Welcome to HSC310 Health Care Informatics. This video will provide you with an introduction to the course, review the course content, and give you an overview of the Blackboard page. The course is entirely online, so it's very important that you understand how the content is provided. When you first enter the course, you will enter in what's called the course introduction page. This page has a current announcement for the course. There will be a number of announcements made during the course, and you will be able to access them all in the announcement section, which is available through the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. However, the current announcement will be on the course introduction page as well. Among other information provided in this announcement is my contact information. You can contact me via email, or via phone, or through the Ask Professor King discussion forum on this Blackboard page. Actually, it's identified as the Contact Professor King forum. The Ask or Contact Professor King forum is an open forum, so other people will be able to read what you have asked me as well as my answer. If you want to contact me in a more confidential forum, you can either use email or my phone. If you use email, you can identify a series of times and your phone number, and I can phone you back as well, so we can set up a time that way. As well as on the main page are links to the currently active assignments, and the course project topic assignment is currently active, and I'll review that in a few moments. Other assignments will be made available or removed as the assignments are activated or completed. The announcement section, as I mentioned before, is where all announcements are listed. Right now, because we only have one announcement, it's the current announcement. However, other later announcements will also be listed here, so you will be able to see all of them in the announcements page. The course outlines folder has the course outline documents. This includes the course syllabus, which is a general review of the course, including the catalog description, the background information, the assessment techniques, course assignments, and the readings, resources. I'll point out that this is there is a text for this course, so you actually need to buy this text in order to successfully complete the course, because the readings are from this. There's also a course schedule, which provides you with a sequential listing of content and assignments as they are given. Please use this course schedule online. Do not print the document out, because this course schedule may be revised from time to time, and it's your responsibility to keep up with the current schedule. So if you print it out, you risk the chance of not being up to date. So please use this schedule online. Next on our menu is the course content folder, and it includes all of the content which I provide for you in the course. The course content will become available as the content is activated. Right now we have one folder activated, and it's Basic Foundations of Informatics. This folder will illustrates the general format for all subsequent folders. And this folder is for weeks 1 and 2, and the folders usually include a opening document or video, and then you have required readings. There are a lot of readings on this course, so this is why you need to begin working immediately. And you can see the readings for these 2 weeks are all from the textbook, which is required. Then you have your presentations, and these presentations, many of these require headphones or speakers, so you need to have audio. You need to be able to listen to these presentations. Many of them are narrated, some of them are not, but many of them are. And then you'll have a series of presentations related to the content. The different sections of the content include a basic foundations of informatics, which is available now, clinical applications of informatics, informatics theory and personal skill sets, information systems, specific technologies, and projecting technologies into the future. Now, you will notice that some of these areas have folders for different weeks, and these folders will become available individually as the weeks approach. So you will get access to weeks 6 and 7 before weeks 8 and 9, so you need to keep tabs on that. Now, I will notice, as I mentioned in the announcement section, that announcement will be made each week, and each week I'll provide you with a guide to where you should be in the course, and also notify you when certain content has been activated. So on the Friday before the next week's content, I will give you a heads up about where you should be. The course assignments folder is basically a set of documents that identify what you need to do to successfully complete the course. We have a grading scale, and 93 to 100 is an A, and then it goes down to 69. Anything below 69 is a fail. So please complete your assignments often and as soon as possible in order to avoid a fail. I will mention one more thing about assignments. It is recommended, or I actually recommend, that you complete your assignments as soon as possible, because you don't want to be caught by a technical glitch, which happens in all institutions. And if an assignment is due at midnight on a certain date and you go on and try to upload it at 11:30 and the system is down, you don't want that to happen to you, because usually assignments are not accepted after the due date. These are a list of the assignments. You have a course project, topic identification, and reasons assignment. Every student has to have a project for the course which you will use to study informatics. So we use a project topic as a method of studying informatics. I recommend that you select a topic which is general in nature, such as a disease state. For instance, asthma or diabetes. Other topics have been successful in women's health and health for the elderly, etc. Please do not select a very specific topic, such as the use of antibiotics in treating acute asthma. That is too specific, because you're going to have to find a series of documents and create a series of informatics tool sets. So please do not select something that is so specific, rather, that you will have difficulty in locating information, because you want to spend your time on utilizing the information and not trying to find something that's very difficult to find. So select a general topic. So that's your first assignment. Next assignment is a discussion, in which you will discuss a clinical technology related to your project topic. And that will be in the form of a discussion, and you'll have 2 posts. The first post being to discuss your own topic, and there will be some guidelines for that, what I want you to discuss. And then your second post is responding to another student, and there will be guidelines as well for that. Your third assignment is another discussion, in which you will discuss patient information technology related to your topic. And again, the first posting will involve your own topic, and the second posting will be response to another student's post on their topic. The fourth assignment is creating a data document related to your topic, and for that you will use an MS Word document, create a chart, and include a data set. And there are specific instructions for this assignment as well. And you will upload that document to the upload link. Then you'll have a literature search related to your topic. And again, you need to upload that document. Finally, you'll create a tool set, a decision tree related to your topic. And part of the content discusses decision trees and how you utilize them. and you will select a decision related to your subject and then create a decision tree. Then you have to develop a system for organizing your information for this project. So you will have a decision tree, a literature search, a data document, your patient information, clinical technology, etc. And so what you'll need to do is organize that information. You can organize it in a series of manual files, or you can organize it in an online form. So you have to develop that, and there are specific instructions for this assignment. Next, you'll have to describe either virtual reality, telemedicine, distance learning, or imaging related to your topic. And that is a document that you'll have to create. Your final quiz is worth 10 points. And quiz questions will come from either the readings or your text, from your text readings, other readings, or from the presentations. Finally, for 25 points, you have to develop a poster including all aspects of the topic. So you will make a poster presentation on PowerPoint, and you will upload that presentation. And these presentations will be shared with other students. And so you will upload it to me. You will be graded. The grades won't appear in the sharing. However, we will have a forum where everyone will be able to see the other students' posters, which hopefully you will learn from each other. And below are the assignments, and they will be available as they become active. The first one is your project identification assignment, and then the other assignments will become active and with instructions on how to do them. So those are the assignments that you will need to complete. Then you have your student drop boxes. Every student has a drop box. You will only be able to see your own drop box, although as you can see, I can see all of them. And your drop boxes are only used by me to return your graded assignments. Any assignments uploaded to me must be done through the upload link for the particular assignment. So in fact, you do not use the Dropbox to send me information. You upload your assignments through the assignment links, and if you have any questions regarding any of the assignments, you can contact me via email or phone me, and or the Ask Professor King is a discussion board, and that's how that is done. Next, we have a very interesting place here. We have an informatics museum, and the informatics museum has background information on a variety of informatics topics. Questions will not be taken from this for your quiz, so there won't be any questions regarding this content. However, it does include a number of very interesting areas: historical presentations and documents, future speculations, clinical environment, decisions and decision making, the internet, mobile and wireless technology, organizational theory, social media specific technologies, telemedicine, distance learning, and virtual reality. Now, I recommend that you review this information for your own interest. As well, you may use some of these documents as part of your research for your project. So it can inform you as well as support your own work. Then there's a link to the MCPHS library service, so you can go in and utilize the databases. And again, this is the Contact Professor King form. You just enter the form. You have a question for me. You just reply to my initial email. Do not reply to another student unless you're making a comment on that particular question. I recommend that if you have any questions for me, please go on to the reply to Professor King form. Reply to my initial post rather on the forum. Then we have an open discussion forum, and this is like a coffee house for you. You can go in and enter into discussions with other students regarding the course. Now, I will monitor it, and I may jump in, ask some questions, or make some comments as well. However, this is your forum. You're in charge here. So just keep it civil. I try not to say King is a terrible guy. He's horrible, but if that's what you think, then you can say it. But this is for you to basically discuss the content for the course, and maybe arrange to meet people and just have fun. So that is basically the outline for the course. And I will be available. I am available, as I mentioned, through email, by phone, and through the Contact Professor King forum. And I look forward to working with you. And so good luck, and have a great time in the course. This should be a lot of fun. I always enjoy the course, and I learn from each student that takes it with me. So jump in and enjoy the